समाचार सेवा प्रभाग से प्रस्तुत है कार्यक्रम परिक्रमा।
नमस्कार। कार्यक्रम परिक्रमा में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आधे घंटे के इस सफर में देश दुनिया की खबरें होंगी। चलेंगे अपने क्षेत्रीय संवाददाताओं के पास और जानेंगे कि क्या कुछ है उनके पास खास। खेल के मैदान की खबरें होंगी, साथ ही अर्थ जगत की गतिविधियों से भी कराएंगे आपको अवगत। आज के अंक के साथ मैं हूं अतहर सईद और मेरे साथ है मेरी सहयोगी अनीता आनंद। अनीता, आपको भी मेरा नमस्कार।
Namaskar, Adhar. Hello, a very good afternoon and welcome to Parikrama. I'm Anita Anand. We have for you today in the next half hour a selection of news, reports, capsules, business, tributes and much more. And now we go over to Manipur, Adhar. The transgenders are known as Nupi Manbi in Manipur and they play active roles in society. They are not only engaged in various fields of occupation generating employment for others and self-sustainable but also create newspaper headlines for their noble and dedicated works towards the betterment of society. Once more, a transgender doctor has made headlines for her dedicated service in fight against COVID-19 pandemic. We have a report on this by JJ Thokjo.
Beyonce Raisram from Imphal has completed MBBS from a reputed medical college of Imphal and is now working at CISO Hospital and Research Institute. She has decided to devote her duty toward treating COVID-19 patients without fear since the outbreak of pandemic in the state. It has shown to the people that collectively we can win the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic.
My name is Beyonce Raisram, working as a resident medical officer in CISO Hospital in Imphal. We as a doctor and as a frontliner, we used to treat COVID patients in CISO Hospital and many of the COVID care centers. To fight this pandemic, we have to fight collectively, not as single persons. All the peoples of the India are responsible to fight this pandemic. We have to respect the frontliners because they are the only ones who help the people with COVID patients to improve the conditions of the patients.
Unlike from the counterpart of other parts of the country, the transgender in Manipur have routine gathering in which they learn the basic norms of society to adopt the existing scenario. They are advised by their seniors not to go beyond the norms and concentrate on self-reliable and sustainable. One of the noted transgender writer and leader of Manipur Nupi Manbi Association, Shanta Khuraizam, said,
Nupi Manbi socio-cultural context very different when compared to other states of India. We still try to go with the society. Among the community also, we try our level best to sensitize ourselves, to know the realities that is associated, the socio-economic, cultural realities that is associated with the Nupi Manbi community. So with all this conversation that has been going on within the community, we are able to go along with the mainstream society in Manipur.
With the changing mindset of the people, the transgenders in Manipur has becoming an inseparable part of the society, thus encouraging them to showcase their talents and ability. JJ Thoksom from Imphal for Parikrama.
We are listening to this song from Rajnigandha, Kai Baar Yu Hi Dekha Hai.
पसंद वही बात कहेंगे, तुम दिन को अगर रात कहो रात कहेंगे, जो तुमको हो पसंद वही बात कहेंगे.
Known for films like Satyakam, like you said, Anupama. We have a snippet of a song from the film Anupama first. Of many awards, but time now to wind up our program Parikrama this time.
बिल्कुल श्रोताओं, अब वक्त हो चला है आपसे अनुमति लेने का, तो इजाजत दीजिए। अतहर सईद और अनीता आनंद को परिक्रमा कार्यक्रम यहीं समाप्त करने की। नमस्कार।